Roger, we just got launch authority.
Yeah, I got the medic.
Solano Tower, Red Devil Air, over.
I got him. Medic's on the ground.
Roger, when this medevac comes back, have him drop the patient off down here in the parking area where I can get the vehicle right up there close to the helicopter, over.
Roger that, I'll relay that to him. And Red Devil Air, this is Tower. Not sure what I heard, but I'm pretty sure I heard some small arms fire.
Yes, sir, come back around to the left. Moving off.
Looks like all I got was the hoist.
All right, come back to the left. Litter only or litter and medic, can you do?
Okay, 7-3, we're going to request immediate entry, bypass across Chapman and go straight to the water tower for patient drop-off. Will you go ahead and clear that via radio calls for us?
Roger, sir, I'll take care of that now.